Most people set big resolutions in January and quit by February. But what if you started small, built the right habits now, and actually made 2026 your best year? Hi, I'm Ali Hassan, a dentist who created Ali Velar to help you build cash flows, a fulfilling career, and take care of your health along the way. And today is no exception. Today I want to show you how to do a year-end reset by building simple, healthy habits that last in 2020. Why resolutions fail? Resolutions fail because they focus on big goals, not daily habits. Change doesn't happen in giant leaps like that. It happens in small, consistent actions you repeat every day. So step number 1, start with keystone habits. Keystone habits are habits that trigger other positive change in your life. For example, you go for regular sleep, daily movement, or planning your day. Fix one keystone habit, and the rest of your life improves too. We have step number 2, how to go for things. The easier the habit, the harder it is to fail. Instead of I will work out every day, starting with I will do 10 squats each morning. Instead of I will meditate 20 minutes a day. Start with 1 minute of meditation every day. Because when you made it simple, you can build consistency, and you can't fail that because it's too simple to fail. What habit to stick to? Attach it to something you already do. What you can do is you pair habits with existing routines. For example, you have what habit you want to stick. Attach it to something you already do. For example, in the morning, you wake up, and the first thing you can do, you drink water. You can stretch while your coffee brews. Small anchors make habits automatic, because you will wake up, and you have to wake up. And if you make it a habit to drink a glass of water every day when you wake up, you will do that thing. It's not difficult. It's easy. If you do something after your cup of coffee, that's also easy, because if you drink coffee every day, you can connect that extra thing to your habit that you're already doing. So you can't miss things when you connect them to habits you already do. Step number 4 is to track progress, not perfection. Don't aim for 100% perfection every time. Aim for the consistency. Miss a day, reset tomorrow, and start over. Use a simple notebook or an app to track streaks. Progress beats perfection every time and every day. So just keep it consistent. Step number 5, build momentum into 2026. Instead of waiting for January, start now. Even 1 or 2 healthy habits built in December give you momentum for 2026. Don't wait for the calendar change and start today. A year-end reset isn't about overhauling your life overnight. It's about stacking small habits that actually last. Keystone habits, simplicity, anchors, and progress tracking are the real tools for transformation. Start now, carry them into 2026, and you will be miles ahead. Subscribe for more ways to build health, cash flow, and purpose. See you in the coming videos. Bye bye.